Is that your goal? Then congrats. Yes. Yes. That's teacher Karen. We're gonna eat our breakfast snack. Breakfast snack.
Nag-isip ka ron. Agoy, nag-isip. Agoy, parang bilang ko.
Ganahan, kay ko mo check ana wala ko'y chicken ay. Ito wala answer. Dami kay butag zero gyud. I'm so hungry. I'm just taking my coffee, then take a bath. Take a bath, then going to school. I don't have any errands. I don't have any errands.
Ano to man ako? Tartarina ko.
Sige, lagi kita.
Ilan ako? 2. Ikaw, Ben? 3. Ikaw? 2.
There's no chicken joy there, so that I can buy maybe in lunch. I will buy. I'm gonna go home before lunch. Maybe later. There is. My new 9:21, 9 minutes left. Ako bang ginambang picturean ninyong tissue paper ba din? I-send na ko sa inyong mama.
Yes, katawan. Sir, more, sir.
Nine minutes left. 8 minutes left. Kagamay sa items, dugay kay mo mag-answer, kay magsige rag tabi. But you have to take a voice. Your voice is like you are in cave. Inside a cave. That's why you have a deep voice. No, just not like that. Your voice is like you are inside the cave. Are you done, Bryce?
No.
Hurry up.
Oh!
Yo.
I know it.
6 minutes left.
I know that.